Walking to K2 Base Camp is the most exhilarating and awe-inspiring trek you will ever do. You will experience nature in all its raw glory, and it will be one of the most life-changing events you will ever do.
I need you to support me on my most daring personal challenge today. A grueling 2 weeks expedition to the K2 Base Camp on the 12th of July 2022. Now it's at 5,400 meters. It's an extremely tough trek, full of extreme dangers, trust me, and it's definitely no walk in the park, and it requires a lot of training and high level of fitness. Now I've been training since December 2021, and I still have several months of training to go before I feel that inshallah I'm ready for this trek. In the meantime, I need your support. How? Number one, subscribe, follow and share my expedition journey with others to raise as much awareness as possible. Number two, why don't you become a member of my campaign team today? Help raise funds, help raise awareness amongst your social circles and location. And last but not least, number three, help me raise funds for some incredible causes, including supporting some of the poorest villages of Pakistan, helping Inspire FM in its community projects to deliver some valuable and fantastic initiatives in our Luton community, and last but not least, helping other smaller projects across the UK which are very close to my heart.